Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Nab here, and I just wanted to give you a video to explain what I'd like for you to do with this assignment. We've been talking about opinions, facts and opinions, and we're going to be focusing on opinion writing. But first, in our writing process, we need to start with the pre-writing, which is the planning. And so we're going to do some brainstorming here. To kind of help come up with some ideas about what you have a strong opinion about and what would be an easy topic for you to write about. So here it says brainstorming ideas for topics during the pre-writing or planning phase can be very helpful when you can't think of what to write. So I suggest this whenever you come up with a topic that you can't think of what to write about. This is one thing that you can do. So we're going to do this together as a class, and then we'll talk about it. I have placed a general topic idea on the following pages for you to look at. If you come up with a topic about your opinion of that general topic, place a sticky note on that page and put your name on it. For example, maybe one of the general topics is pets. I could add a sticky with any topic idea for my opinion about pets. Maybe I'd put a sticky that says anteaters do not make good pets as my idea. Okay, next, you can put any idea about that general topic on a sticky note. You can post as many as you want. You do not have to do every topic that I posted, but please choose at least 2. My examples are only examples, so I want you to think beyond what I have shared and see if you can come up with your own ideas. Maybe think about things that you think other people will not think of. Try to be original. So let me show you what I mean about what you are to do. Oops, there we go. So here's the general topic. It's school. Excuse me. My example, I clicked on this to make a sticky note, and I'm going to erase that because I've already done it. But my example says music class isn't for everyone. So my opinion would be music class isn't for everyone. And so that would be my topic that I might write about. Notice I put my name. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that I don't think music class is for everyone, because I do think it is, but I just wanted to give you an example. Okay, then you're going to stick it here. And if you have other ideas, great. It can be anything about school, anything at all. Things you like, things you don't like, whatever you can think of that you have a strong opinion about. So the next general topic is about vacations. And my example is Paris is a great place to visit. Now, not everybody thinks that, but I do. So make sure I put my name on it, which I did. And you can write about anything about vacations you want. It doesn't have to be about a place. Next is food. Now here's an example. My opinion would be the worst restaurant to eat at is McDonald's. Notice I put my name again. And again, this is just an opinion. It's not really necessarily a true opinion. But I want to make sure that the opinions that I do write are true. Sports is our next topic. And my example was football players make too much money. I put my name on it. Movies is the next topic. The best Star Wars movie is Empire Strikes Back. And I put my name on it. That's it. You don't go on because there aren't any more. You choose which one of these that you would like to put a sticky note on. You can put more than one sticky note, and it can be about anything about this general topic. So we will, after we have done this assignment, after you've turned it in, we're going to come together as a group and talk about some of these ideas and see if some of these ideas might be good topics for you to write about. Let me know if you have any questions. See you soon.